Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in and take a look at the Bitcoin daily chart and analysis, remember this is for edutainment only and not to be considered as financial advice. Additionally, when you find value at any time during this video, feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe if you haven't, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. I would appreciate it. Let's dig in and take a look at crypto heat map first. Bitcoin is, where's my mouse? Here we go. Bitcoin is currently roughly around 46.3 and down about half a point. Dominance dropped below 41 at 40.95. Ethereum 3.5 down 0.39. What's interesting about Ethereum's is that it's been gaining dominance. It's still above 19.42. ADA's down at 117. BNB down at 440. AVAX is up. Luna is up. Luna just keep breaking all-time high. It's just incredible. I'm not sure if Luna's momentum is sustainable. I think it's on a really hot run, and that's fantastic for Luna. I mean, like not too long ago, a couple weeks ago, it was $43. It's crazy. It's almost tripled, 3x. So pretty red today for crypto, but we do have a few bright green spots, so that's good. Let's where's my there we go. Let's take a look at the trading view daily chart for Bitcoin. We still have this ascending triangle resistance on top. We have the ascending triangle support going diagonally up here. And if you notice, we have a current daily candle is bullish, but it's really small. And the wick here, I'm gonna zoom in for you, so you can see. You see that? Maybe I should just leave it like this, so it's easier for you to see. But let me move some of these here, so we can look at it. I think it's good to get a wider view of it and then zoom in and take a look at the zoomed in view. But the challenge with this is that it's you have to rearrange it to make it look decent. Anyways, the wick right here of the current candle is right in this line, this support line here. So, and it crabbed sideways. Like the last time I did this thing just printed today, but the last time I did this chart was right here. And I mentioned that it's gonna crab sideways. It literally did. It just went just straight across at this green dash line, roughly around 46k here. That's the so it's been right there, and right now it's just about above it at 46.3k. Let's see what else. It's where it's at is above the bull market support band, this gray ribbon here, and the top of the Bollinger Band is up here, and the top is around 48.9 now because it's ascending. So every day as it keeps ascending, the number changed a little bit. And the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which is down here, is at 38.9k. So it's kind of, it's near the top more so than the bottom. So, but it could move either way. I think it's gonna crab sideways, but let's take a look at the rest. The bottom, the middle of the Bollinger Band is right here. This bluish line here, and that's around 43 point. Is that right? 44.5. That's around 43.9. Somewhere around there. Why doesn't it say correctly right there? Yeah, it says 43.9. Anyways, the 50-day moving average is still way above that. So you see some of these, the Bollinger is going up, and so it's gonna, this point, unless it changes, the top of the Bollinger Band is gonna move away, but very soon it's gonna round off eventually, and it's gonna drop back down. As far as volume is 4 days consecutively it's been dropping, and the current volume is tiny. Look at the day before, it's also small, and the 3 days in a row is below the moving average also. Let's take a look at the KDJ. The white J line continues to trend downward, but also it's flattening out a little bit. You can see it went from 60 to 42, and still below the red, the blue K and the red D line. I gave that a bear, and it's the bottoms right here, which is around 20. The start of the bottom range starts at 2020, which is right here. So it's got a bit to go yet. MACD, the white MACD line is on top of this red signal line, and it's flattening out, and the two look like it's gonna touch in soon. And this top of the MACD line right here, if you notice, is the highest range within this time frame, which is since January 29th. So for the last since January 29th, it's the top of the range right here. So more than likely the white MACD line is gonna come down and cross the red line, and it's gonna start printing bearish histogram bars. But for now, it's printed 19 bullish histogram bars, but they're diminishing in height. I gave that it's bullish printing, but also trending bearish. Let's go down at the red RSI here. It's pretty much chopping sideways at around 61.5, so I gave that a crab. The blue cumulative volume delta, it's currently chopping sideways also, and at around 1.821 million, that gets a crab. The momentum indicator, or MOM, is dropping sharply here. It went from 3,908 to 2,289. I gave that a bear. Overall, we got some bearish signals here, and we also got sideways crabby signals here. So more than likely it's going to continue to go sideways, but there's some, it could go choppy up and down, but overall it's going to go sideways. Let's take a look at I put the summary here for you. Continue to chop around 46k. Max pain, we'll go through the max pain, but chart so you can see it. So let's go through that. Max pain for the 3rd of April will be 46. So it's currently right where it is. April 4th, 46. April 8th, 45. April 15th, 46. So it's going to range right around between 44 and 46 as far as max pain is predicting. Let's go to the heat map. We got sell walls on top, buy walls on the bottom. 50, a decent size sell wall at 50k. We got another one, a smaller one at 48k. And we got some shades down here, but no major sell walls until you get to around 35. And then a bigger one at 32 and a bigger one at 30. The one at 32 is roughly let me see. The one at 32k is around 467, and the one at 30k is around 408. The one at 25k is much smaller, but it's there. So not much change down here. Remains pretty consistent in the last few days. Let's jump over to the high block liquidation levels here. As you can see here, we had a huge amount of overage for the cumulative liquidation deltas, liquidation levels delta, huge here. And then you can see that price moved up, liquidated a bunch of shorts, but some remain as price continued to chop. You see that? More got liquidated, and then price dropped down, and it grew again. So we're currently at -2. Negative just means it's short. Positive it means it's long. So right now it's short overage of roughly around $2.7 billion, and the long levels down here, short levels up here. If you take the short levels open interest, the amount of money in the short levels subtracted from the amount of money in the long levels, this is what you get. It's the difference. At this level, price can go either way. It's not extremely high either way, so I'm not so sure that. But you do have some levels here, some short level here that are really close to the current price line, for someone to take the counter position, high leverage counter position, and influence the price to go up to liquidate these guys. So 47 is right around here. So if it moves to 47, it'll clear these guys. 48 is right here, clear these guys. But it could easily move all the way down here too. But there's not much immediately below. So yeah, it's not too big of a excess to make a difference, in my opinion. And we're back at the beginning. I appreciate your time. This is my last video for the night. And I'll see you in the Bitcoin weekly video tomorrow. Have a fantastic night, day, or evening, or afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Peace. Remember, hit the like, smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe if you haven't, and also share your thoughts. Thanks.